Salam Hamupa, my name is Hussein, and welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilos. When we talk with people, when we talk to somebody, there is a moment when we need to ask questions, right? So in this video, we'll learn how to ask WH questions in Tajik. So these are the WH questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. So let's start with who. Who in Tajik we say ki, and then in the north part, we usually say kim, okay? But you can say ki. And the second one is what. What in Tajik, chi. And in the north part, we say chize. It's very informal. Maybe if you say that in the south part or in the capital, in Dushanbe, people will laugh. But we say chize. And the goal of our channel is not only to teach you the formal Tajik, but also informal, because if you come to Tajikistan, you should be able to understand people, right? So not everyone speaks the formal language, especially in the north part of Tajikistan. So that's why sometimes we tell you some other words that we use, like chize, it's informal, and chi is formal. Alright, next, when. When in Tajik, kai, but in the north part of Tajikistan, sometimes we say kaiba, when there is only one word, when. For example, you say, let's play football. And the other person says, when. So in this situation, we say kaiba, like when. But you can say kai, it's okay. You can just say kai. Where in Tajik, kujo or dar kujo. So here's the example with kujo. Where do you want to go? Tu kujo raftan mekhohi. So if you see towards something, tu kujo raftan mekhohi. So here we use kujo. And dar kujo, it's about the place, the location. Where do you work? Tu dar kujo kor mekuni. Dar kujo, so it's about the place. Or where do you study? Tu dar kujo mekhoni. Like that. But in the north part of Tajikistan, we say kujonda instead of dar kujo. We usually say kujonda. But not everyone. Some people say, they say dar kujo, kujonda. So you can hear both of them in the north part of Tajikistan. Next, why. Why in Tajik, charo or baroi chi. So for example, why did you come? Tu baroi chi omadi or tu charo omadi. And two more examples, informal. In the north part of Tajikistan, we say chuva, and so informal, chizeva. You can hear people saying that. So the same sentence, why did you come? Tu chuva omadi, chuva, or tu chizeva omadi, chizeva, okay? And the last one, how. How in Tajik, chitaur, chikhel, and chiguna. Chiguna is not that common, so chitaur, chikhel. Now let's imagine a situation, the dialogue between a foreigner, let's call him Ad, and a Tajik guy, Tolib, for example, Tolib. And Ad is a curious guy, so he's asking questions using the WH questions, okay? So Ad, who cooked this food? In khorokro ki pukhta ast? And Tolib says, I cooked, man pukhtam. What did you cook? Shmo chi tayyor kardid? Pilaf. Oshi palov. When did you cook this? Shmo in ro kai tayyor kardid? This evening, in Begoh. Where did you learn cooking? Khorok paziro or avkhot paziro dar kujo omukhted? My mom taught me. Modaram yod dodan. Why did you cook pilaf today? Charo imroz oshi palov pukhted? Because today is Sunday. Chunki imroz yakshanbe ast. It looks delicious. How do you cook pilaf? Can you teach me? Bo lazat menamoyad. Shmo oshi palov ro chkhel mepazed. Ba man yod merihet. And now let's listen to the dialogue one more time, but only in Tajik. In khorok ro ki pukhta ast? Man pukhtam. Shmo chi tayyor kardid? Oshi palov. Shmo in ro kai tayyor kardid? In begoh. Khorok paziro, avkhot paziro dar kujo omukhted? Modaram yod dodan. Charo imroz palov pukhted? Chunki imroz yakshanbe ast. Bo lazat menamoyad. Shmo oshi palov ro chikhel mepazed? Ba man yod merihet? Albatta. In Tajikistan, it's quite common to cook pilaf every week, but in our family, we do it once a month or maybe twice a month, but not every week. They either cook it on Thursday or on Sunday. The one on Thursday, they call it Oshi Shabi Juma, Shab is night and Juma is Friday. But it's one day before Friday, on Thursday. It's like the Christmas Eve, one day before, like that. So Shabi Juma, it's on Thursday. And the same about Sunday. And they say Oshi Shabi Dushanbe, but actually they cook it on Sunday, one day before. So Shabi Dushanbe, it's like Monday night, but they cook it on Sunday. Alright, thank you very much for watching. That's it for today. And if you want to learn some other ways how to ask questions in the past, in the future, or in the present tense, you can review our class about the verbs. You can find it here. And as usual, you can find the PDF of this class in the description down below, and also some other examples using WH questions. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time.